In a home on Chicago's west side, sending a woman in her 60s and 2 children to the hospital. This was the scene just before 7:30 this morning near Lexington and Central Park in Holman Square. Thick smoke kept billowing from the building. The woman was treated for smoke inhalation. Everyone is expected to be okay. Later, you can see how charred the building is in front from top to bottom. Hot spots still rage. The flames are gone now, but the fire department tells us some people were displaced. The exact number is still unclear.
So check it out, Nemo. This is a little lake that we got back here. See how deep it goes? It's like a slushy, a mix of water and ice. And also walk across, and I have to brace this door closed with 2x4s because it won't.